I decorate them with you?
No, I have to make these perfect.
Ugh, fine. Wait. Not my hands challenge.
What?
Yes, let's get started.
Ugh.
Yay, let's do this.
No, don't grab a new one. Oh no, you knocked it over.
Calm down, it's fine.
Grab the cupcake.
Right here?
Yes,
Okay.
that one. No, you're messing them up. I need enough for everyone. Joyce, you're ruining them.
It's fine. I bet they look great. You're stressing out too much.
Joyce.
I can't see.
Don't forget the sprinkles.
Oh. Is that good? I can't tell if it's
Oh
enough.
my gosh.
And I'm done. Phew! Thanks for letting me decorate with you, Lily. Okay, bye.
My cupcakes. Ooh, I love this movie. Ooh, can I have some?
No, get your own.
Okay then, not my hands challenge.
No, come on, I just want to watch the movie.
You can watch the movie without your hands.
Okay, that's not even enough dip. No, do it right.
Alright, I think you need some soda.
No, it's okay. I'm not even thirsty. No. Okay, stop.
Alright. Hope you learned how to share. It's mine! No!
You guys fight way too much. Not my hands challenge.
Oh, let's do this, Lily.
Huh?
Have fun, you two.
We will. Let's go, Lily.
Be careful, Joyce. I just did my makeup.
Oh, I got this.
Joyce, my makeup looked so nice. Why'd you have to ruin it?
Hey, I hope you guys learn how to work together.
Ugh, Max!
Looking nice, Lily.
Joyce,
Huh?
you need to hurry up. You have a bunch of paperwork you need to file.
Oh, yeah? Not my hand challenge. Let's see if you can do it faster then.
All right, at least
Okay.
it'll get done.
We'll see about that. Fine, just bring it to the shelf. See, I told you it wasn't easy.
Well, finish your paperwork after you clean that up.
What?
Just do it.
Man.
Not my hands challenge.
Max, I'm busy right now.
You have to. It's payback.
Okay, get the green. Oh no, what are you doing? I said green. Ugh, okay, fine. Make a purple flower. Oh, Max, I said a flower.
I think it needs more color.
No, Max, I won't be able to fix it. My tree.
Almost done. Okay, that's it.
Max, look what you did. You messed up my painting.
Not my hand challenge.
Seriously, Joyce, I was trying to do my hair.
Don't worry, I can help with that.
Oh my gosh, be careful, Joyce. No, Joyce, no.
And we're done.
Joyce, what did you do to my hair?
Did
guys learn how to